Hi guys, my name is Umair and you are watching Umair's Workshop. Today we are going to talk about this dehydrator in which I have placed tomatoes and some lemons to check out if it is working perfectly, and I'm going to close it. I'm going to set the temperature to 40 and let it work for about 10 hours. So I've set the temperature from 40 to 41, 1 degree difference, and we're going to let it go for about 10 hours and you will see the result. This is right now in this position, and after 10 hours you will see what kind of result we are going to get, because I have made this dehydrator in a full styrofoam concealed, and inside I have also used aluminium, but the front is glass, which is kind of a downgrade, but we can also tint it out so the excessive heat is not coming out. But let's see how it's working in this position right now. It is about 10 hours. This is working continuously for 10 hours, and now we have to check if it have worked to dehydrate our tomatoes and lemons. So this happens after 10 hours of 40 Celsius, and you can see the tomato have been dehydrated completely, and the lemons are really dehydrated, but they still need some time because they are still some squishy. So because I have cut them so thick, it still needs some time, but about the tomato, it has been completely dehydrated like a crisp. So the tomato have been crisp like this, if you can hear that. It have completely dehydrated. The tomato have worked perfectly, but lemon needs some more time, but still it have lost a lot of water from it. So you can see tomato have done like this. So this is a basic box and it's covered in styrofoam, and the heater is 50 wattage heater, ceramic heater, and it's a basic concept that the air is coming from the back side and throwing air onto the heater, and then it's covered in the temperature all over the place, all over the inbox, and the air is coming out of this hole on the back side, on the top side. So excessive temperatures coming out of it, all the water are getting out of it. So this is a one tray. If we are making this kind of low consumption dehydrator, we can place about like 15 trays like this up to here, and it will be a good option. But this is still not a good method to place the heater over here. We have to place heater over these sides and fan, and the fan throws in air, and then we place the trays up to the top. So this is W3001. You can use any circuit to maintain the temperature up to 40 to 45 to dehydrate any kind of vegetable and fruits. And also, if you want to know how to make this kind of low consumption dehydrator, you can check the description and you can make it by yourself. I have already made it in a styrofoam. It is easy to make and it works perfectly. You can see the tomatoes have been crisp, but lemon needs some more time and it have to be cut out really thin. So if you like this video, the checking of the homemade dehydrator, it have other purposes too, so it is a multi-purpose box. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.